What if you could tap into a viral YouTube niche that's getting millions of views, generating passive income, and so easy to create you could do it in your sleep? There's a channel out there combining 3 powerful niches, and the results are absolutely insane. They started just 2 months ago, posting daily, and already have over 388,000 subscribers. Their videos pull in crazy numbers. One uploaded just yesterday already has more than 97,000 views. Altogether, they've gained over 12 million views in 2 months. This is true YouTube automation at its best, simple and efficient. While most creators use complicated setups, ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, image generators, and editors like Premiere Pro or CapCut, this method uses just one AI tool, CapCut. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe if you want to discover more ways to save time and grow your YouTube channel with AI. This channel creates relaxing sleep content that tells historical stories from the viewer's perspective. Each video mixes calming narration with ambient sounds, helping the audience relax and drift to sleep while feeling immersed in the story. These videos are usually over 2 hours long, which means more ad revenue per upload, and surprisingly, you can make one in under an hour. So whether you have a full-time job or you're trying to build a YouTube business, this niche could be the goldmine you've been looking for. It's easy to monetize and doesn't require any editing experience. The process starts with generating video ideas. CapCut's AI can create scripts, but we'll use ChatGPT as the script master. There's a Google Doc with prompts under the video topics section. Copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and specify how many ideas you want. It'll generate topics similar to the successful channel's style. Pick one you like or regenerate until you find something interesting. Once you have a topic, go back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt, and replace the placeholder with your chosen topic. The script will generate in parts. Just type "continue" when prompted to move through each section. If a section feels too short, ask ChatGPT to expand it before continuing. Once the full script is ready, it's time to bring it to life using CapCut's AI Video Maker. Go to CapCut, click Instant AI Video, and paste your script. Choose a style, spooky, neoclassic, prehistoric, or Roman, and use the 16:9 aspect ratio. Pick a voice for narration and hit generate. CapCut will automatically create visuals based on your text. Add a voiceover, apply transitions, and even include captions. You can regenerate specific scenes or all visuals if needed. If the video has more than 100 scenes, CapCut might skip some visuals, but you can easily generate missing ones manually. It only takes a minute per scene. With the main video generated, it's about 60% complete. Now remove any auto captions since the channel's videos don't use subtitles. They aim to relax viewers, not distract them. Add ambient sound effects at medium intensity and soft background music or a looping fire sound effect for a cozy vibe. Export each video segment, then combine them into one final project in CapCut. Apply effects like Vapor or Spark if you have CapCut Pro, or use a free overlay from sites like Pixabay or Pinterest. Export the final video in 1080p, 2K, or even 4K. If CapCut isn't available in your region, use a VPN to access its web version, or try alternatives like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. You can also hire an editor from Fiverr or Upwork who already has CapCut access. And that's the full process, from idea to income, using just ChatGPT and CapCut. If you found this method interesting, hit that like button, subscribe for more automation strategies, and grab the Google Doc from the creators' Discord to get all the prompts and templates you need. No fluff, just copy, paste, and profit. If you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level with AI tools, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. You won't want to miss what's coming next.